guys, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilonggo, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I am with my beautiful daughter, Tiara. Yay! We just ate at Denny's for breakfast. I totally forgot to put the video and make a vlog out of it. Pero, right now we're gonna start it, and we are going to this place called Bolology. That's one of her favorite places, so we're gonna check it out. I've never been there, so I don't know what to order, but I think she knows where it is and what's out there and the great food that they have. So let's go. Right.
Do we make a new video?
No, it will just continue.
Okay.
And then we'll just cut it. Are you done with this one, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Navigation.
Okay, so we're gonna put the navigation to Bolology. I'm gonna go 10-minute drive.
Starting route to Bolology.
Okay.
Proceed to South Las Vegas Boulevard, then turn right.
Right. Okay. Let's see.
Turn right onto South Las Vegas Boulevard.
guys, we're back. So we're here at Bolology Island Bowls and Juice Bar. Like I said earlier, we just had a breakfast slash lunch. We had brunch at Denny's, and I'm gonna show you on a clip on what this beautiful lady did with her pancake. She discovered something which I found cray, but she likes it. She's a weird kid, but she's a beautiful kid. So I'm gonna show it to you in a bit, but right now let's go to Bolology. Taking video too. Alright, ipapasyal ko yung anak ko. And right now we're here at Bolology. Sana yun.
Hey guys.
Yes. We're walking over.
And I need to go pee.
You being fine? You okay?
Yeah, I poked my eyeballs.
So we're just waiting for our order. It's my first time here. I don't know what I ordered. It's weird, but we'll see. I don't even know the terms that they use here. My daughter is the only one that told me to go here because she likes this place. So we'll see. What did you order, my love?
I ordered Bolology and I got granola with the blue acai and the pink acai with watermelon, kiwi, and bananas. And maybe there's some other fruit in there, but I can't really see that. That's okay though. Did they have this?
Here's your spoon.
Thank you.
Is it almost similar to what you ordered? Or-
Yeah.
And this is what I ordered. I don't know what it's called. All I know is there's fruits, something's cold, there's granola, but Tiara's order looks more delicious than what I ordered. So, let's eat. So you just like mix it?
You can mix it or you can just leave it. I can leave it, but
So good. The honey. So there's some stuff inside too, or this is just all like the cold, like smoothie type?
I feel like it's like the smoothie. take me back home.
Watch the road.
It's a very nice day outside.
You're learning how to vlog.
And we got our doors, and now we're gonna go inside. I have a little bit of this left, so I'm gonna eat it.
You got it, baby?
Yeah. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. We're back. And we just finished
Keep coming
our
back.
biology. So I have a little bit left.
Starting to get hot here in Vegas. Not too bad though, but it will get worse. So now we're done dating. It's time for me to drop her off because she's gonna have dance for the rest of the day. So let's go and take her back to their house. Alrighty, well, she's home. I'm dropping her off now. I hope you enjoyed, baby.
I did enjoy.
And we'll do some more vlogs next time. Okay?
Okay. Bye, sisters.
My sisters. Alright, my love. Do you have any other stuff?
No.
I love
My
you.
peeps.
Oh, your peeps. Right.
Okay, thank you, Mommy.
You're very welcome. Here you go.
Do you want me to keep this one?
Yeah, you can have
Okay.
it.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, sisters.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Mommy.
I love you,
Have
baby.
a good day.
You too, my love.
Ow!
I love you.
I love you too.
Alright, so na-drop off ko na yung anak ko. She's gonna have her dance lesson for the rest of the day. Kaya half day lang yung na-spend namin na time together. But it's okay. It's better than nothing. She had a blast. I had a blast. We both had fun. At saka super busog kami ngayon kasi talagang nag-food trip kaming dalawa. And yeah, that's pretty much what we did for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Medyo makulit, medyo magulo, but for me, it's all worth it. I'm really happy because I get to spend this day with my daughter. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that bell button down below para naman notified kayo pag meron akong mga bagong videos. Again, this is Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal, always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! What are you doing, baby?
I'm putting hot sauce on my thing, on my pancake. My mom said it wouldn't taste good, but that's okay. Not hot at all.